Okay, so now that we've heard all about the technology and the nanotechnology from Dr. Satit, we're now talking with Kun Tae, and Kun Tae is actually about the packaging and design of the product for iCosmetics. So wonderful to meet you, Kun Tae. Thank you for making time.
All right. Yeah.
No problem. And we were talking just before about your background. Can you tell me a little bit about what you do and how you ended up working in a cosmetic company?
Actually, I'm studying in the fourth year student on the architecture program in the King Mongkut University.
Okay.
So I have a chance with each my parent and Dr. Satit is friends, so he invited to do the creative design of the packaging and bagging, even the logo here, to like serve the customer all for one.
Right.
Yeah. So which is like make this company is different than another because we like do all in one, complete one process in terms of they can like they sell in the international.
Right. Excellent. So you come from an architecture background, and here we are with some examples of the packaging. Can you tell me a little bit about how your architecture experience works into the design and your ideas around packaging as well?
All right. So this packaging we comes up with the active dam that the customer really want to design, such as like serum or the cream gel product. We decide that the outcome of packaging that they really want and what is style, what they want, they really like. If it some of like this bottom here, they actually want to like the product is gonna be like gel or serum to like put on their skin, such as the you use in is like sunscreen.
Like the sunscreen we tried before, right? Okay.
Yeah. So which means that we collaborate with the customer like direct, and we talk a lot to what is gonna be outcome, what how price what they really want to sell, and how layer of the packaging or how like rare the ingredient that we actually do.
Right. So you take a really broad view, and you start with what is the outcome the customer wants. And then you also consider what type of product, if it's a gel or a serum or a liquid. And then you also consider the look, the style. So you've got a few different styles here. If I wanted to say make a gel, would that change the packaging based on the type of product?
Yeah, sure. If it gel, you have to like think about the outcome of packaging, what the outsider gonna look at it, what is like different between this one and this one.
Right. Okay.
What is the friendly design of the packaging? It will gonna look of it.
Right.
So it's important to let the buyer know that what is you gonna sell. You know?
Right.
Yeah.
So when you're designing packaging with a new customer, what are the types of information that they need to give you so that you can do a good job of the design of the package?
I think that first of all is what is the customer want, that they have to like show me the reference, what they think of it first of all, and second is like what they want to like outcome, what is the ingredient, what all of it, all of the idea, that they have to send it to me so I can directly answer the question of it.
Sure.
Right.
And now cosmetics is a really competitive space. There's thousands of products and hundreds of brands. How do you work through that to make your customers a unique and individual product? Is there direction that you give them to be, cheaper or premium or more accessible, or how do you work through that question?
First of all, we will talk the customer on each person that what is you really want to sell this product to the rate of people that gonna buy it. What is that? What is that rate? What is that outcome? Is that cheap or is it expensive? They like have like several level of it. Right.
Got it. So a cheaper packaging would maybe have different materials to a more expensive one.
But still great graded ingredient, like active ingredient that Dr. Sathit say.
Right, right, yeah, using that nanotechnology is a really core part of what iCosmetic does. So maybe we can talk about the cost of different packaging. What would expensive packaging look like? What would cheap packaging look like? And is there a big difference?
The cheap packaging look like is look like for example, what I'm doing here, this like it depends on how rare the packaging is.
Okay.
You know,
Right.
if it is depend on the first of all, it depend on the customer want that, and second is the how rare of packaging and how rare of the active ingredient. Sorry, yeah, active ingredient. So, and then we will look of it. How many can we make it? How many we have to order to abroad, or how many we have to like create the packaging.
Got it.
So it depends on how hard to find and
Right.
how much of it.
Got it. So it depends on if you have to create a custom one or you can just go and buy one in. Now you mentioned something very interesting. You said it also depends on the ingredients in the product. So are there some packaging that is better for cosmetic than other ones based on the nanotechnology?
Actually, I will say that if you order 1,000 of bottle of the packaging here, I say that some of rare ingredient and some of rare packaging. I mean, the higher price will go.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Because one at a time we order the packaging, we have to make sure that they create for this consumer already.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. So then, if a customer wanted some like really custom packaging designed only for their brand, only for their product, what is the kind of volume where that starts to make sense?
Yeah, as I say, it depends on the quality and how hard to find it.